When we were putting together the aluminum arch for our sailboat, we wanted to also incorporate some simple davits into the design. So I ordered some 1.5-inch aluminum tubes, or pipes in this case, Schedule 80. And you can see the Schedule 80 pipe is significantly thicker than these cutoffs from the aluminum tubes used to build the arch. The design of the davits, if you will, is very simple. We actually just used some stainless steel eye bolts bolted through the ends of the two tubes and then bolted the davits to the arch using some of the bolt locations already utilized for assembly. And in this case, we used all stainless steel hardware. Okay, today I'm going to rig up some block and tackle so that we can easily lift the dinghy on these kind of goofy outriggers I created on the arch. Not really davits. So I placed an order with erigging.com rather than pay a ridiculous amount of money for marine grade blocks, you know, that with ball bearings and all that kind of stuff. I decided to go a cheaper route, but for something like this, for a dinghy, I think is adequate. So C-strand, 5/16 nylon braided rope, great for this purpose. Got 10-foot 1-inch Thor-Tex webbing that'll create a sling under one side of the dinghy, another one 10-foot for a sling under the other side of the dinghy, and this one is a 4-foot one that'll actually connect the two slings together so that they can't go too far apart. Now, the important thing to notice about these is they're fully stainless, but they're quite a bit cheaper than what you would buy for sail rigging, because they're not ball bearing, you know, axles or anything like that on the pulley itself. So, you know, they'll squeak a little bit. They won't be as smooth running, but for something like a dinghy hoist, they're perfect. Pair of stainless steel single shiv blocks with bottom loops, a pair of stainless steel double shiv blocks, 4 stainless carabiners, a pair of stainless D shackles. So it's rigged up to give 3-to-1 advantage. I've got the 4-foot strap holding these 2 loops 4 feet apart, and then those loops will go around the dinghy, and I think that'll accomplish what I want to accomplish, and I can certainly change it if I don't like it. Check this out. This is our really old dinghy. It's as old as the boat, from 1983. And with the exception of that little piece of Gorilla Tape that you see there in the middle, it is leak-free. I just found that leak when I was trying to figure out why the front half deflated overnight. Slapped a piece of tape on there and it's good for now. Guess I gotta get a Hypalon patch and patch it up, but pretty good. I kind of wanted to suspend it upside down, so if it rains, water does not collect. But it doesn't really want to hang that way. So, this is what we're doing for now.